HTML list is something very structured and easy to read format. So this is the information you want to put. So you can use the list. The data item on this web page, they can be now cataloged or they can be indexed. You can have numbers like 1, 2, 3, or even you can have some symbol like this. These are called list in HTML. So the list makes your document or web content formatting quite easier and in a particular order. So there are three types of list in HTML. UL, unordered list. That means it creates an unordered list or bulleted array. Bulleted list. Ordered list will have an order or numbered list. You will find the numbers there. DL. DL is a special list, unique list for definition. We'll talk about this more. We start with unordered list, UL. So it classifies the data item with equal importance, and the symbol in front of it can be square, can be circle, can be disk. For that we start with UL, this is unordered list. We end with the /UL. So this is UL, unordered list for square. So this type is actually the attribute of this UL. Unordered list attribute, if you want to give some type, the type is square, type is disk, type is circle. See, this UL is a container tag. So you ought to have a ending tag here. Then we have list, LI. Inside this unordered list, once you have predefined that it is going to be an unordered list, now you need the list, actual items. How to do it? Let us see an example. This is body and we are talking about this unordered list. We have started the unordered list and ended with the unordered list. Then after that we have list. In this list, we have apples, oranges and guava. So this will be shown in list. As we have not defined or any type we have not given. So the result would be something like this: apple, oranges and guava. If you want to change the symbol of the circle, then what you have to do here is, you just have to give type is equal to circle or disk or square. Now the same thing or same content will show you these circles. Ordered list. Now ordered list means you will have numbers. It can be numbers, it can be Roman letters, even it can be alphabets. So we have ordered list OL and there is a type. This type shows or tells you whether you want number, Roman or alphabets. The starts tells you from where to start, because it may be possible you don't want to start with one like 1 or 1 or say A. You want to start with some in between value. So this is an example. You have a body, you have started an ordered list, ended with an ordered list. Now this is a proper list. See, every LI is ended with LI and this content is going to be shown. The result would be something like this. By default 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be shown. Now if you want to start your list, see, if you want to start your list with 4, not with 1, so just put start equal to 4 in this type, in this OL itself, OL tag. This is the attribute start equal to 4. Now this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. If you want to have a list with alphabets, you just have to give type equal to A. Now the result would be A, B, C, D, E. Then the definition term list. You start with DL, you end with DL. This is a definition list. Inside you will have, see, this is an example. This is clairvoyance. This is your DT. DT is for definition term. And inside this you have proper definition, which is called the DD, which is the data or you can say the data definition. So how to make a list like this? You have to start with a DL, end with a DL, and the data term has to be given like this, like this. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold also. And after this, you have to have the definition. So this is the definition. So this is going to be shown like this, as I just told you. I'll show you it again. This is what is the final result. Okay, this is how you are going to see. You will see in the glossary or in the last of the most of the book, in the end of the book, you will see this.